Okay, so we are going to do two drawings, two spins today. The first one is going to be for lane numbers. So we'll go in order. The first name, the first school that's drawn is going to get lane 2, and then lane 3, 4, 5, and 6. The second drawing that we're going to do is for the tug-of-war positions. So it will be position A, B, C, D, and E in order. So here is the first one for the lane positions. Alright, so Brothers is going to be in lane 2. Merrick is going to be in lane 3. York is going to be in lane 4. Duke is going to be in lane 5, and that means Wilder is in lane 6. So the next spin that we are going to do is going to be for the positions in the tug-of-war bracket. So we'll go A, B, C, D, E, and then we will have everything that we need. Okay, so again, Brothers, lane 2, Merrick, lane 3, York, lane 4, Duke, lane 5, and Wilder, lane 6. Give me 1 second to type these in one more time. Shuffle them up. Okay, so here we go for the tug-of-war bracket. So, for the first position in the tug-of-war bracket, position A, we have Merrick. In our next position, position B, we're going to have Wilder. Looks like in position C, we have Brothers. Position D is Duke, and that means York is going to be in position E. So once this finishes spinning, I'll go through those one more time. We have Merrick in position A, Wilder in position B, Brothers in position C, Duke in position D, and York in position